Hi everyone and welcome to PPC Winner. In this tutorial I'm going to show you just how simple it is to connect your Amazon account with PPC Winner, and it won't take more than a couple of minutes. First of all, log in. If you haven't already created an account, do so now. Click on the button Connect Amazon Account Now. Log into your Amazon account. Tick the box and click Next. Please note that if you're using a mobile device, you will have to scroll to the right end of the screen in order to click the button Next. Click the button Continue. Click the button Connect and Add Amazon Account. Click the button Allow. Great, we're done. Just wait a few moments so this updates. Great, your products are now syncing with PPC Winner. This may take some time. You can close your browser and come back later. If your products haven't synced within 24 hours, please contact our support and we will check into this for you.